Make a great choice today with the 2024 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, 8 speakers, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.